In the harvester puzzles, the farmer girl is trying to pick the corn. If you look in your toolbox, we have a new block, a new coding block called the pick block. You have to use that in order to tell the farmer girl to pick up the corn. Make sure, as always, that you are reading the directions at the top. If you can't read them, press play. Right here in the workspace, this is where you write your algorithm that the computer reads from top to bottom to tell the farmer girl what to do. Notice we are using our cardinal directions again to move our farmer. We have north, south, east, and west blocks. We also have a repeat block, which we can use to save space in our code. So we're going to create our algorithm. So our farmer, let's check and see which direction she needs to go in. She needs to go east to get to the corn. Let's count how many steps to get on top of the corn. 1, 2. All right, so we're going to do 2 east blocks. I always tell the students to chunk the steps as you go, only do 2 or 3 blocks, and then check them. Then she's on top of the corn. We need 1 pick corn block because there's a number 1 next to the corn. If there was a 3, then we would need 3 pick blocks. All right, let's run it and test. All right, so now we know that she needs to turn. Point your hand in the direction that the character is facing and then decide which way is she going to go. Is she going to go north? Or is she going to go south? She needs to go south. And then she needs to pick the corn she's on top of. Once again, let's test our work by chunking our steps. So now we need to get this corn. We need to move south to get to it, and then pick, and then move south again, and then pick. So let's reset and run our code. Now, this is the long way to solve this puzzle. But if you look at the puzzle, you can actually see a pattern. 2 blocks are repeating, the pick and the south. Let's count how many times. Pick south, pick south, pick south. Now I'm looking at it and I'm seeing, oh, maybe it's south pick, south pick, south pick. And that repeats 1, 2, 3 times. This is the repeating unit in the pattern. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to rewrite this. So I'm going to leave this here so you can see the original code, and then we'll rewrite it using this repeat block. So we're going to do east, east, pick, and then we're going to do a repeat block 3 times, and it's going to be south pick. That's our pattern, south, and then the pick block. And how many times does that repeat? 1, 2, 3. All right, so we have the number 3 right here. So what we've just done is we've used a repeat block to shorten our code. This makes our code more easy to read. It also allows us to find our mistakes or bugs more easily. Notice that this algorithm solves the same problem as this algorithm. When I reset and run it, it will solve the problem in the same way. Be resilient, keep trying. Coding is hard, but it's also fun.